Welcome. Let's dive into the amazing SAP HANA training offered right here in Visakhapatnam. You'll explore new career opportunities, master data management, and boost your skills, all while being in a supportive and interactive learning space. Think of it as your gateway to a rewarding IT career. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Let's start with the basics. SAP HANA isn't just a buzzword. It's a revolutionary database platform with cutting-edge features. We'll uncover its benefits and real-world uses that make it indispensable. Spoiler alert, you might even start dreaming about HANA after this session. In-memory computing is like turbocharging your database. SAP HANA uses this technology to deliver lightning-fast performance. We'll discuss its mechanics, advantages, and how industries are leveraging it to stay ahead in the game. Ready to speed up? Let's go. Now, let's peek under the hood of SAP HANA. We'll examine its architecture, including core components and data processing magic. Don't worry, I promise to keep the tech talk digestible. By the end, you'll see why HANA architecture is a masterpiece. Installing SAP HANA is like setting up a new gadget. It's exciting and a tad technical. We'll walk through the hardware needs, installation, and troubleshooting tips to keep everything running smoothly. By the end, you'll feel like a pro installer. Database administration might sound intense, but fear not. We'll demystify it and dive into the key responsibilities of a SAP HANA admin. By the end, you'll be ready to manage, monitor, and back up with confidence. Data modeling is the art of organizing data like a pro. Learn how to build schemas, optimize storage, and follow best practices. Don't worry, it's more creative than it sounds. By the end, you'll be a data Picasso. SQL in SAP HANA is like SQL on steroids, faster and more efficient. We'll explore advanced techniques and learn to process vast datasets. By the end, you'll wield SQL like a wizard, ready to cast some queries. Security is no joke, but we can have a little fun while learning it. We'll discuss user roles, authorization, and compliance. By the end, you'll be the cybersecurity superhero of the SAP HANA universe. Performance tuning is like giving your database a spa day. We'll explore bottleneck fixes, query tuning, and maintenance tips that keep your SAP HANA database running like a dream. Let's rejuvenate that performance. Let's dive into how SAP HANA integrates with the cloud. I'll cover its benefits, like scalability and flexibility, and the challenges you might face during integration. And of course, the solutions to tackle them. We'll wrap up with some real-world use cases to bring this concept to life. Trust me, cloud integration is where the magic happens. Here's the thing. Real-time analytics is like having a crystal ball for your business. I'll walk you through what it is, what makes SAP HANA perfect for it, and how it benefits businesses by delivering instant insights. We'll even explore a few industries making the most of it. Spoiler alert, it's impressive. Machine learning and SAP HANA, a match made in tech heaven. I'll explain what machine learning can do, how it integrates seamlessly with SAP HANA, and the perks of this powerful combo. Plus, we'll discuss some cool examples of machine learning in action, because who doesn't love a smart system? Successful SAP HANA implementation starts with careful planning. I'll share tips on what to consider before you start, how to set yourself up for success, and, most importantly, what mistakes to avoid. Stick to these best practices, and you'll be an SAP HANA hero. Stories bring data to life. Here, I'll share real-world examples of how SAP HANA has revolutionized businesses. We'll discuss its impact, lessons we can learn, and some truly inspiring success stories. Get ready to be amazed. The future is bright for SAP HANA. We'll explore emerging trends, exciting new features, and its role in evolving industries. I'll even make some bold predictions. Spoiler alert, SAP HANA is here to stay and innovate. Let's wrap it all up. I'll summarize the key points we've covered, highlight why SAP HANA is a must-have, and outline some next steps for your business. Remember, the journey with SAP HANA starts here, and the possibilities are endless. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.